What's up, YouTube? So I'm here with a student practicing for her driving test tomorrow. We're running through the test. We're just gonna run through once. Again, we're at a Broward County location. I'm not going to disclose the exact location, but just know we're practicing her test at a DMV location in Broward County. But before I get into the actual meat of the video, I'm going to ask you please to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you are new to the channel, welcome. All of my subscribers that actually, even the people that have their driver's license that still watches the video, I can't thank you enough. Alright? Just continue to support the channel because, as you know, the channel is actually quite useful to a lot of people. I enjoy making the content, but I need the support to keep making content, right? Alright, so let's get into the video. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left, away from the curb.
What else are you supposed to do?
You put the car in park, pull up your handbrake and turn the ignition off.
Okay, good. Alright, now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, and press the brake. So you ease up and press back on the brakes. When they do that, they're basically checking to make sure your tail lights are working, your turn signal lights are working, your brake lights are working. Well, not the tail light because it's not night yet. They're not going to check in for that. So it's the brake lights and the turn signal lights, and make sure your horn is working. So they'll be checking all of that. All right. So again, let me say this because I keep getting asked if they're going to be in the car with you. I get asked that like on a daily. The exam is in South Florida, and I could only speak for South Florida because that's where I am. I've gotten messages and comments from other parts of Florida where they're saying the test is the same in different parts. I am not 100% sure, so I'm not going to say for certain that it's exactly the same everywhere in Florida. But it's my guess that it's similar because, they're all governed by the same people in Tallahassee. So I'm pretty sure that the test is similar in most Florida counties. Alright? Alright, so now we're going to reverse from here and we're going to go through the actual test. So go ahead, put the car in reverse. Make sure it clicks. And you're going to roll back slowly until your mirror gets to the end of the line. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, you're going to stop and turn all the way to the right. Go back a little bit more. Like right there. Now turn all the way right. And you look behind as you go back. Go back until the mirror gets into the middle of this area. Good. Put it back in drive. Alright, so you stay close to your right side here, but not close enough that you're actually into the parking space. And you're going to make a left turn. So signal left, staying in your right lane as you do that, obviously. And stay in your right lane, and you're going to make a right turn as soon as you pass this tree. So just like you're doing, every time they tell you to turn right or left, you make sure you signal. Because if you don't signal, you're going to get 4 negative points for each one.
Oh.
So signal every time. Even though you're actually allowed to get up to 30 negative points, you don't want to get unnecessary negative points. So you signal every time. Alright, so we're going to park in the cones here. So you signal left. And again, you line it up in your mirror with the first set of cones. Turn all the way left. And then you roll into the space. And as you know, my system works 100%. It works every time. If you line it up correctly, it will take you into the space. You go around until you get to the middle. Stop here, straighten the wheel. 2 times from extreme left, and you roll straight in. And that is pretty perfect. All right, put it back in reverse, and we're gonna roll straight out. Similarly, we're gonna roll straight back until your mirror is past the cone before you turn. So press gently on the gas. And when your mirror is past the cone, then you're going to turn all the way to the right, because you want the back to go right, because you're going forward to the left. So look behind and go straight back. Go back until your mirror gets into the middle. Okay, that's good. Put the car back in drive. Turn left. Alright, so we're going to make a left here. We're going to treat this area, even though there is no stop sign there, you're going to treat it like a stop sign. So you're going to go up and stop. And again, make sure you're signaling like you are. 1, 2, 3. Look both ways here and go into your right lane. And then we're going to make a left when you pass this other tree. So yeah, stay in your right lane just like you are now. And you're going to signal left. And you're going to pull up to the right here. So the examiner is going to be in this area somewhere. Standing up, they're going to tell you to stop like right here. And stop. Now, when you stop here, make sure you're straight, because they're going to tell you to speed up in a straight line and do a sudden stop. Speed up to 20. They're not going to say in a straight line. They're going to say speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop, do a quick stop, do an emergency stop, whatever they call it.
It's going to be raining tomorrow morning, so there won't be a quick stop.
Well, if it's raining, there won't be a quick stop.
Okay.
So you're predicting that it'll be raining. I hope so. But you don't need to predict that, because all you have to do is speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop, which you did before. So I know you could do it.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. And stop. Problem, you turn to the right just now.
Yeah.
So anyway, we won't do that next time. So reverse, straight back. And look behind you. Keep in mind that we're practicing, even though she's doing quite well, we're still going to continue practicing. So tomorrow, she is definitely going to pass her driving test. I know it. Alright, so that's good enough. You reverse straight back. And that is put in drive. The reverse is just, when you stop, you just keep it in, put it in reverse and just look behind you and roll straight back. There's no turning or anything, just keep the wheel straight. Alright, go forward and you're going to do the 3-point turn. Stay close to your right side just like you are.
Does it matter where, down here, up there?
Up here somewhere. They'll just tell you they'll probably tell you when to stop and do the 3-point turn.
Oh, so if they don't say stop on their 3-point turn, don't stop.
Yeah, they'll tell you over here somewhere. So try to do it like in between this little area. Alright, signal left. And remember, you're not supposed to be into the parking lot spaces over here. You got to be close to it, but not in it. Yeah. Keep going. A little bit more. And stop. Okay. Alright, all the way to the right. And again, you're reversing until your mirror gets into the middle. Keep going a little bit more. Alright, that's good, right there. Alright, put the car back in drive. Signal left. Alright, straighten up, pull forward. Alright, so you're going to stop at the stop sign, and then we're going to go straight across and find a place on the left side to park. Alright, go ahead. Stay close to the right. Alright, park on the left side. Just find a space. Go up a little bit more. Line up your mirror. Turn all the way to the left. Straight in. And stop. Okay, put the car in park. Alright, say that was your driving test. How did you do?
I think I did pretty good. I did good.
Yeah, I think you did great,
Yes, I
actually.
did
Like,
great.
like honestly, I think you would pass with, if not 100%, very close to it. Yeah, because the only mistake you made was you turned the wheel slightly when you speed up, and that's really not like a big deal. So yeah, I think you did really, really, really well, actually. So as you can see, she did what she's supposed to do, and she's going to do what she's supposed to do tomorrow, and she will pass the test for sure. All right. So again, I'm going to thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I make my next video and post my next video. All right. Until I